take your photo?
Yes.
Can I take your photo? Alright. Satu, dua. Terima kasih. 자, 오늘 주제는 포트레이트입니다. 최대한 많은 포트레이트 사진을 필름 코닥 컬러 200 필름이랑 캐논 EOS 5 가지고 한번 찍어보려고 합니다. Excuse me, I'm a still photographer. Can I take your photo with the stuff? Yeah, can? Okay. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Thank you so much. 4, 5. So I have a question. Why you have a scarf?
It's just my accessory.
Your accessory.
Yeah.
Not hot?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, buddy. How are you?
Nice camera.
Yeah, for film one.
Film today.
Yeah. Why? 1, 2.
My friend, give me.
Oh yeah, I know.
And
Oh,
today
it's finished.
I draw this one. Oh, it's raining. I draw Benjamin Netanyahu and then I finished drawing this one. This very old one.
Trump.
Trump and
Oh.
you still remember this one?
Yeah.
Yes, this one. During this.
She finished.
Yes.
She back already?
Yes.
Oh.
After the next day. Yes.
Can you stand at the center, between the cat and her? I will text. I'll check her. All right. A bit here. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2. Good.
Thank you so much. You don't want to write any nickname? Yeah. You want?
Can I?
Do something.
Yeah, I want.
You want to go up?
No, it's okay. Excuse me, I'm a street photographer. If you don't mind, can I take your photo with flower? No, it's okay. Okay, never mind. Hello, excuse me. I'm a street photographer. If you don't mind, can I take your photo with flower?
Yes.
Yeah, after that I will take your couple photo, okay? Right, so... Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, you guys can together. Okay. 1, 2. Thank you so much. Can I have your Instagram? Just one of you. I will send you the photos because it's a film. Hello. Hello, uncle. Can I take your photo with your taxi?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Can I see the can you see there?
How's it got inside again? Hell, I see.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, I'll get the back.
All right. 1, 1, 2. Thank you so much. Okay, 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wait. Okay. You work here?
Yes.
Can I have your Instagram if you don't mind?
Sure. This is our company is the Sunshine Studio.
Sorry. Okay, you can sit there. Yeah. Okay. All right. Wait. 1, 2. 1, 2. Smile. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Excuse me, can I take your photo? Just 3 portrait photos. And then this is a film camera. So I will give you the photo today or tomorrow. Okay, 1, 2. It's okay, it's beautiful. 1, 2. Where are you from?
I'm from Wales.
Wales.
Yeah.
Oh, I have one half Wales, half Italian friend.
Ah, no way.
Yeah.
Welsh and Italian. That's cool.
Yeah, half Italian, half Welsh.
My taxi's here.
Yeah. By the way, where are you from? France. I'm from Korea. My name is 안녕하세요. Bonjour. My name is June.
Okay.
What is your name?
Chris.
Chris. Yeah. So those flags that country that you visited.
But more country, but I cannot find the flight.
You've been to Korea, Thailand.
I've been Korea many times.
Oh.
Then
Which place do you like?
more to Solo.
Ah,
And Busan, 3 times, but so many times.
Busan.
But so many times.
Ah.
Chongqing.
Gyeocheon. I'm from Ulsan.
Okay.
It's near Busan.
Okay.
Okay, I'll check your portrait. Okay. Right. 1, 2. How to say smile in French?
Sui.
Sui. Sui, sui. Okay, 1, 2. Smile. Can you smile? Sui. Okay, wait. One close portrait. One, 2. Merci. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Uh,
An녕하세요.
Have a good trip. Where are you going, by the way?
Now I go to Bukit Bintang
Oh,
for lunch and after to perform.
all right. Hello, can I take your photo? Okay. The light is so nice. 1, 2. Thank you so much.